Abrade. To scrape or wear away by rubbing. The rough stones abraded her palms as she climbed the hill. His shoes began to abrade at the sole. Oaf. A stupid or clumsy person. The oaf tripped over the rope and fell into the mud, causing everyone to laugh. The big oaf knocked over the chair. Gait. The way someone walks. I recognized him by his slow gait. Her confident gait caught everyone's attention. Cannibal. A person or animal that eats its own kind. The explorers feared the island might have cannibals. Some insects are cannibal by nature. Deride. To laugh at someone in a cruel way. They derided him for his old clothes. Don't deride someone just because they failed. Forgery. A fake copy made to trick people. The painting turned out to be a forgery. She was arrested for forgery of important documents. Solace. Comfort during sadness or pain. She found solace in the quiet of the forest. His words gave me great solace. Laggard. Someone who is slow or falls behind. The laggard in the race struggled to keep up with the others. The laggard student finally caught up. Illicit. Illegal or not allowed. She was caught selling illicit goods at the market. He was involved in illicit activities. Vacate. To leave a place. They were asked to vacate the building before the storm arrived. They vacated the house last night. Demure. Shy, modest, and quiet in behavior. She gave a demure smile when he praised her. The girl looked demure in her simple dress. Snuff. To suddenly stop or end something, especially life or flame. The storm threatened to snuff out the small fire. The villain wanted to snuff out the hero's hopes. Agility. Ability to move quickly and easily. Her agility allowed her to dodge the falling branches in the forest. Good players need speed and agility. Lovelorn. Sad because of lost love. She felt lovelorn after he left the town. The lovelorn girl kept staring at her phone. Kinship. A feeling of close connection or family bond. She felt a strong kinship with her childhood friend. Their kinship grew over the years. Lunacy. Extreme foolishness or madness. Her idea to climb the cliff during a storm was pure lunacy. He laughed at the lunacy of the idea. Malice. Desire to harm someone. Her words were filled with malice, meant to hurt his feelings. There was no malice in his actions. Scum. Very bad or hateful person, insult. She treated the thieves like scum and refused to help them. He treated them like scum. Mutiny. Soldiers were sailors rebelling against their leader. The crew planned a mutiny. The crew's mutiny threatened to take over the ship completely. Militant. Aggressively active for a cause. The militant soldiers patrolled the border, ready to defend their territory at any cost. He gave a militant speech. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.